We have some drama over on the Solana and the Jupiter ecosystem, which I want to go and talk to you about it in this video. So with that said, make sure to leave a like. Let's reach 250 likes. And first thing first, we see that a new NFT with an airdrop potential has dropped. You only got limited time to go and mint, then you can go and collect it no matter what. So simply go and grab it yourself right here. It's the Genesis AI. You're able to get it over on the base ecosystem. And here it commemorates the NFT, it commemorates the possibility of going through and all of them goodies. Make sure that you check for some estimation fees, for some gas fees, and make sure that they are below, the $1, $2, what, potentially like below the 15 cents. Sorry, my bad. Or simply go and switch it to another chain. For example, here we got the Arbitrum one. Go and switch over there and go and collect yourself the possibility. As we see here, this is more likely 38 cents. Confirm and grab it. So make sure to go and do it. The link is down below. This is the NFT commemorative our breakthrough meeting with strategic partners, airdrop possibilities with the partnership from what they earn. So make sure that you go and do it. Very, very important. Link is down below. We've seen many on Zora that first of all you are minting Zora possibilities for the airdrop as well as the Genesis AI. Following up, we do have the drama coming in from the Jupiter exchange after there has been released. There's many different things which we're gonna go and talk about it, all of them in this video. First one is this one over here. Most wallets will not be able to get an airdrop. So, in my opinion, they are doing something wrong as they are taking away the possibility of people that stake their token and vote to receive the Jupiter airdrop. If the Jupiter is a gift for the community to that helps build the protocol, they are not going to give the airdrop to people that stake and vote because those people will receive the ASR rewards. Now, in my opinion, wrong. People that are voting, people that are staking, they should receive the rewards as well. And a real user, as we see here, should be somebody that utilizes the platform, yes, but as well, somebody that goes and produce more for the platform by staking, by voting, make like, I don't know, make it a 90% staking, people that voted 90% of the time, yes, make them eligible, and people that only voted once do not make them eligible. I understand that criteria. Let me know your criteria down in the comments below. But it does seem like a little bit of a drama situation that they are going through. One thing that I also want to talk about is I've seen yesterday you liked the free airdrop after the Mad Xion airdrop that has been released, or people made thousands of dollars for absolutely free. Well, there are other free airdrop, very, very important. First one is Skate Passport over here, and you guys have been loving it. So the link is down below to join. All you have to do is simply download and join their Telegram. Go over here through the link down below, and that's it. You got a few quests to go and complete. Super easy. As you see here, 4 tasks, go and complete them, collect points, and you are good to go, as well as the partner quest over here. All of them are free. This is still on a testnet. We got 3 million users, which is absolutely insane. So make sure to go and grab your ollies, make sure you grab your points, as it is one of the best airdrop. In my opinion, it's an L2, it has reached over $10 million in funding, so really, really looking forward. It is a simple passport in terms of like you are a user of the protocol. The other one, as we are able to go and see over here, is the Airdrop. Now, Airdrop is released by Gumball, which we're gonna go and see in just a second as well. And this is the app. So it is a very easy to use app, and I will go and showcase you what you can do. Once again, free to utilize. There costs no money. Everything is with this in-game currency, kind of like that you see here that I am clicking and collecting the X. So that is simply all that you gotta do. Not the clicking, but the, what it is. So here we are inside, and it is basically a bingo situation game. You go and place it as you see here. You go and place some X. You go and place some X over here. You autofill. You do everything that you gotta do with the points that you receive. So very, very simple. All you gotta do, join down below. And the very important thing is, as well, from the bingo one, you got the dropping one where you simply come here, you drop some X, you receive some points, and you are good to go. So that's how you get the points, how you get the X, etc. The other important thing is to go and stake your total amount over here on the right side, which, as you see here, launch pool has ended. Launch pool 3 is on its way. I did participate in this one. I can claim my possibility over here. And then we got the other side of this protocol, of this airdrop, is over here down in the lower part. You can see squad. Simply click on squad and you will be redirected to this other Gumball official page. All of this is free. So keep in mind this one, simply come here, bingo and drop, collect the birds. You have your roster of birds as you see over here. Super, super easy and free and fun to go and do it. Then we go over to Gumball. On Gumball here, you will go and participate into squad missions. Very, very simple. And with the squad missions, as we see, you click over here, you have the possibility to collect points, to collect, X and points and data, and you will do all of this. You help the, fulfill the teams, as you see here. It's a team effort, so the more you contribute, the better it is. You then have the rewards that you're able to go and grab, also for the possibility of the Airdrop game over here. So super simple. I will leave you the link of all of this down below. And then you got a few missions. As you see here, you do the missions, you collect the missions, you ask for help from your friend, assist a friend, request help. Super simple to go and do. And as again, this is not in a chain. This is still a simple game that you go and do. You do all the quests, you collect points, and that's how simple it is. You collect points, you help your squad, and you are good to go. Now, the other game that it is super nice is also the Drift Party, which I will leave you link down below. And this is the final free game that we're going to be talking about. And we're going to go and focus back on the Jupiter situation. But with this one, first of all, you're able to collect double X amount of points if you just see like 15 seconds of ads, which, simply put the phone down, blow your nose, have a sip of water, and the rewards are gonna get collected. So you have the possibility to collect those, as well as merging your cars. Super easy, super simple, super fun. Once you've seen it, as we see here, when you're offline, you collect the loot boxes, and then you will have your cars. You simply merge the cars together, as you see over here. You go and open all the loot boxes, and you merge all the cars together, which is very simple. And then once you've done this, you simply keep on merging until you get to new high levels. These new high levels will give you the possibility to go and update your car. You can go over to the garage over here, and you have the possibility to buy another car. As you see, for example, let's go and buy this one, which we haven't. Let's go and buy it twice. So we bought it twice, and now we got to a bigger car. As we see here, level 35, we got this one at level 34. We just go and put them in order, and there we go. Simple as that. You collect the earning possibilities over here, daily rewards, you go and claim it. If you got friends to invite, go and collect from your friends. You have the daily claiming as well over here. You have the rating, you have the possibility of spinning, which you get one for free. So you collect, all sorts of points, bonus, loot boxes, as we see over here. I collected 2 of them. Okay, you can double or claim it, go back, it will be presented over here. So as you see, it is a very easy to utilize network, very simple to utilize platform, and quite fun. So these are the free games that we are going to be talking about. And back to what we were talking about Jupiter, which I do saw that people loved Xion. That's why I wanted to bring you the free situation. But going back to what the drama situation on Jupiter is, well, are we going to be eligible or what? It seems like a lot of people are not going to be eligible. And I've seen it also here, like for example, for the non-stakers, which we were talking. This was really surprising when I first saw it. Says a user who will be SL over on Twitter. If you decided to exclude staker voters completely from the airdrop, you're basically asking the voters, as people in power, to choose to deal with your own bugs or not. Clear answer would be to vote no, since you're giving away more Jupiter to people that are not currently stakers and voters, so they can just dump it all on the move, which is correct. I believe that this reward over here, and I hope the Jupiter team is looking at this, or if we're able to get them. I do think that the Jupiter rewards, now that it is a gift for the community that helped develop the Jupiter protocol, it should be like the SAR. It should go onto the stake Jupiter token. So you do not receive Jupiter token in your wallet like the first Jupiter airdrop, but you simply receive them staked in your account, just like ASR works, so that people will have the possibility to go and stake them. If you want to stake them, it takes 30 days, so the market will not dump immediately. And at this point, having them staked, at least they contribute to the ecosystem, and they contribute to involving more people if you want to give it to people that do never stake and only did some actions over on the protocol. I do believe they should be going over there to make the platform even bigger and even better. And here we go. There is, clear answers to provide more Jupiter, and people are not concerned they will depth. There's no aligned incentivize at all. This is a big issue here. The ones in power don't get rewarded from the Jupiter by holding, staking, and voting. One of the most important decisions about the exact coin you're staking and actively voting on. So I do believe that the airdrop, in my opinion, should be stakers, not amount of stacking. I don't think so, because then the first people that hold the biggest airdrop in history are going to be benefiting on it. So I do believe the amount of token that you stake isn't quite important, but the amount of votes that you do, yes. And also to take in consideration a little bit in terms of volume, transactions, utilize how many days you utilize Jupiter, how many days you've been a Jupiter cadet, and all the things, whether you sold, for example, the WEN token, which was one of the first token that we received from the ASR, I do believe, or all the other ASR token, have you held to them? Have you sell them? So I think that's one thing to go and keep in consideration, how much of a non-sellable person somebody is, in my opinion. Following up, we also have the chance to earn the Zero Loyalty Program NXT over here, the XP on layer 3. And I will leave the link down below. This is the link. And as we see here, Ethereum's network quests are now live and giving you a chance to earn the XP and Zero, which is super, super important. You can predict as well. And here we got it, for example, the Launchpad Zero, and this is the campaign. So I will leave you this link down below, as well as for the Cosmos airdrop, we can check the Lumos organization airdrop allocation. It is eligible for TIA stakers as well. So we go to the link down here, and I will leave the link down below. You click on the check button next to the active users in Celestia Network and connect your Celestia wallet. I have some Celestia token stake, and I really want to see whether or not I am eligible for this. So we got the, where is it? No, not over here, the voice airdrop on the top left. Here, the Lumos OG, active users, Lumos testnet, and we simply go connect the wallet over here. We connect our Kepler wallet, which is where we do have the possibility for the, let me go and open it up. Here is where we do stake our Celestia token. As you see here, I do have a bit of stake, and Kepler connected, send the transactions, approve. Active for Lumos test Celestia network. Here, check with this one, connect the Celestia wallet over on Kepler. Oh well, I'm not eligible. I guess the criteria were something else. Well, not eligible for this, but let me know you're down in the comments below. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. It's a bit of a touchy subject on Jupiter, because I do believe it that the community should be rewarded quite a lot, but you let me know your thoughts. With that said, thank you for watching, and see you later. Ciao, guys.